Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.